If Chrome keeps opening every time you turn on your computer, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop Chrome from opening on startup. This is a quick and easy fix, and it can help your computer boot faster, reduce background activity, and stop Chrome from relaunching when you really don't want it to. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. From there, click Settings. This will open Chrome's main settings page, where you can control a lot of the browser's startup and background behavior. Now, in the left-hand menu, find and click System. This is where Chrome keeps options related to background activity and performance. Here, you should look for the setting that says Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. If this option is turned on, Chrome can keep running in the background even after you close the window. That can make it seem like Chrome is still starting up on its own, so go ahead and switch this setting off. Turning this off is important because it stops Chrome background processes from launching automatically after you close the browser. In many cases, this one change alone can make a big difference. Next, still in the left-hand menu, click on Startup. This section controls what Chrome does when you launch it. If Chrome is opening old tabs or reopening a previous session every time your computer starts, this is where you can fix that. Select Open the new tab page. This tells Chrome to start fresh instead of restoring old pages or sessions automatically. That step is especially useful if Chrome was set to reopen everything from your last session, because that can make it look like the browser is starting by itself whenever your computer boots. Choosing the new tab page keeps things clean and predictable. Now, let's take care of another common cause. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape at the same time to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the compact view, click More Details so you can see all the tabs. Then click the Startup Apps tab. This area controls which programs launch automatically when Windows starts. Look through the list for anything related to Chrome, including Google Chrome, Chrome Update, or Google Updater. If you see any of those, right-click each one and choose Disable. This prevents Chrome-related startup services from launching when your computer turns on. This step is really important because sometimes the issue is not just Chrome itself, but also update or helper processes that launch at startup and keep Chrome behavior active in the background. Disabling them helps stop unwanted startup activity. Once you've made those changes, the final step is to restart your computer. Click the Start menu, select Power, and then click Restart. After your PC boots back up, Chrome should no longer open automatically on startup. If you want to double check everything, you can reopen Chrome later and make sure the background app setting is still off and that Task Manager startup items are still disabled. In most cases, following these steps will completely solve the problem. And that's it. You've now learned how to stop Chrome from opening on startup using Chrome settings and Windows startup settings. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.